Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's business owner services. So if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's business owner services, this video is definitely for you. It's going to help you out. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. It's going to be a quick one, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do, of course, is to log into your Fidelity account. Now you can do that on the website, or you can log in through the mobile app. So once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on business owner services, and then you're going to click on overview, and here you can browse the business owner services, including things like retirement plans, insurance and whatnot, and just use the service to manage your business. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's business owner services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys